Good morning, guys. Hey, that says it's got a timer on it. Oh no. Okay, yeah, I fixed it. I had to go in and get rid of a bunch of stuff that was in the trash. The cage it? I'm not sure how to pronounce it. C-A-C-H-E. Sure it's French. Hang on. As you can tell, this is Tippy Toes. I should have named her that. Actually, we named a little filly Tippy Toes. She was so cute. So cute. So cute. Hey there. Mama. As long as she has food, she's okay. Yeah. I didn't trim your nails this weekend. You know, that's getting to be procrastination at this point. However, this week is a much better week for getting stuff done. That's the only thing on my list I didn't get done. However, we did go rabbit hunting yesterday. Snowshoeing and rabbit hunting. My husband got a rabbit. He brought it home, cleaned what we had, and we always give the dogs a rabbit foot. It's a good source of calcium. Jack would eat the whole thing. Well, my husband had set it on the landing while he was cleaning the meat, and he noticed Jack was over there, and he was like, "Jack, are you into that rabbit?" And he walked over. It wasn't Jack, it was our cat Marcel. And Marcel was like, "Oh no, this is my rabbit." So now, when we lived in Washington, our neighbor used to tell us that he'd seen Marcel. Marcel loves rabbit, cat. Loves to catch them and eat them. And he did that all the time. Look at this. It's like gonna sit in my lap. Hey, stop. Stop. No. Yeah, I thought I was gonna be able to sit on there. Guess not, huh? Like, I'll lean on you. Tell me they're not smart. But Marcel had pulled the rabbit out of the bag and was eating it on the back stoop, growling at the dogs. And even Jack, who's a big old German Shepherd, was like, "No, Mom, she means business. Just scratch my eyes out." So, but yeah, anyway, we didn't get the goat's feet trimmed. I mean, we did. Everybody, oh, those little girls got out. How did they do that? Those little boogers. Really nothing for them to get into, except for the hay. Ladies, what'd you do? I see you, Pip. It's Evie, Beatrice, and Pip. Oh, and there's Pip. She's gonna open that door. You watch. Why you would put a glass door in a barn is absolutely beyond me. Like, there's these huge glass windows here. Hi, Pip. Hi, Pip, Pip. Hi, Pip, Pip. It's like, Mama, let me in. Oh. Maybe I didn't shut the door all the way. This was not for you. That was for your sister, pig. Maybe if I could milk faster. Maybe if you weren't dancing so much. Yesterday was a beautiful day. Upper 30s. I could see the dirt road. Doesn't mean we won't get more snow. We always have a fake spring first. Before we get the real thing. I did pull my tulip bulbs out of the garage. I found some on clearance, and I potted them up for the secretaries at the schools I work at. Put on their desks. I have to remind them to give me the pot back, though. They just give them back to me when they're done blooming. Whew. Hot in here. Jeez, baby Jesus. So yeah, yesterday we went out. We went out early. It was like 10 maybe when we headed out. We hunted on our property, so we weren't like, we didn't go far. We stayed on our acres. But, yeah, it was definitely, it was nice to get out. Saw a big, huge raven. Saw some rabbits. Found where a porcupine's been living out there. Didn't see it though. I don't know where it was. They don't hibernate. See where it was sleeping? Because there's like porcupine poop all over the place. And then up on the branch, he'd been chewing on the branch as he was eating, as he was, laying up there. I don't know how comfortable I am with having a porcupine that close to my dogs. They don't go out in the woods without us. I just don't know how well Jack would do. He has a pretty high prey drive. When it comes to wild animals, he has never hurt any of my farm animals. Which is weird. I've had 3 German Shepherds. None of mine have gone after the neighbor's livestock. Of course, as a puppy, though, I socialized it and did the things you're supposed to do. We're kicking around the idea of getting a new puppy because our dogs are getting old. And believe it or not, they do learn from the older dogs in your pack. I know I had people who would say, "You took that puppy too soon. He needs to learn how to be a pack pup, how to live in the pack." And I'm like, "Yeah, I know, but I have a pack. I have my own pack of dogs. It needs to learn how to live in my pack, not that pack, but my pack, so it knows that I'm the alpha." Yeah, well, I'm gonna set this here, leave you here while I put those other bad babies away. Here, right here. There you go. I'll be right back. Oh, lady. You didn't entertain your... Oh, you knocked it on the floor. Come on. Everything goes on the floor with you. Hey, stop that. Get down. Here, come on, sweetie. Come on, my little sweet girl. Come on. Your sister threw this on the floor like usual because she's a bad goat. She's not a good goat. Not yet. Not like you. Not like you. Chicken lickings. What are you doing in here? Oh, goodness gracious. Funny how I could tell that wasn't Bonnie because she's too poofy in the end. Looks like a feather duster. That's one of my standard cochins. Oh my goodness, you are full of milk this morning. Why does that happen? Some days not so much. Some days there's more, huh? That just dirt? Yeah. I'm checking. Make sure you're okay, honey bunny. right there. Miss, I'm a piggy wiggy, you slow down. See how much slower she eats than her sister? Well, you don't have to, it's not a race. You don't have to eat faster just because I said you eat slower than your sister. It's a good thing you eat slower. It's not good to eat that fast. It's bad for you. What is it, you're supposed to take 20 minutes to eat your dinner? I'm going to start trying that. I'm eating slower. So that was my weekend. And I thought about making a video, but I just didn't. It was nice outside though this weekend. When we went out, we went out a little after 10. We did almost 2 miles. It was like 1.96 miles we went. So far my hips aren't sore. Normally my hips get sore because when you snowshoe you have to move your feet different than if you're just walking. But yeah, it was nice when we came back. I could tell the snow was starting to melt on the top because it was so warm. And one of my friends from downstate posted a thing on Facebook saying it was 52 degrees down where she lives, downstate Michigan, in the middle of February. That's insane. But don't be getting all excited, people, because, well, down there I could see them getting, excited and trying to go out and work in the yard if this stayed for a couple more weeks. Not up here. It's gonna take a couple weeks of that kind of weather to even get our snow to melt. Which is kind of nice because I can't jump the schedule. The tulips, however, I put in the garage in December to cool, because some plants need to be cooled before they'll sprout. And it normally will tell you on the seed pack. Well, a good seed company will tell you if they have to. Not sure how good. Some seed companies don't even tell you whether they're long day or short day onions, or if they're indeterminate or determinate tomatoes. And this makes a big difference. If you want tomatoes for the entire summer, you need indeterminate so they continue to bloom and produce tomatoes. If you get a determinate, that's more for someone who's going to make tomato paste or spaghetti sauce so they all bloom at once, and you make a big batch of whatever it is you're making. I like indeterminate because with a determinate plant, if you miss the day or it breaks or something, you're not going to get any more tomatoes. You won't get any more flowers. And it's for production. I mean, it forces them to make all of their fruit at one time. So it's easier for someone who's, say, growing tomatoes to make their own spaghetti sauce to sell. But you do have to watch your plants then, because let's say you have a garden full of determinants and deer comes by, eats the tops off your tomatoes, which they do, you're out. You're not going to get any tomatoes that year. And unless you can find a store that's got some at the same spot in their development that you were at, you're out. You're out, Mama. No tomatoes for you. No tomatoes for you, huh? Yeah? I need the other one. I get more milk in the morning. I think it's because it's a little bit longer of a wait. I milk around 6 in the morning and then around 5 at night. So I try to evenly space it out. But milking at 6 in the evening, unless I eat dinner first, it's just a pain. And then I'm out in the dark. Once it stays lighter later, I know the other day I noticed that it was still light at 5:30. Now it's staying later light till like 5:46. So that's nice. So I've got at least a half gallon today this morning. This is the last week of bottle feeding the babies. They were born on November 18th. No. Yes, November, December, January, February. Yep, February 18th, they'll be 3 months old. They won't need any more bottles. And that is, let's see, this week? I think so. It's like Wednesday. I might just wait till the weekend because I don't have school on Friday. So I'll probably just wean on Friday. That way I'll be home. Make sure everything's okay. I'm sure it'll be fine. They've been eating grain and hay now for weeks. Some people wean them much earlier. I don't like to. All right. You're done, Mama. My sweet Mama. Your sissy didn't get her bananas because I had to chase your niece and your daughter. Your daughters and your niece. Let's see. You're the mom too. Nope. Yes. Pip and B are your Pip. What was that? I've never heard a chicken make that noise. Oh my God, I hope I got that on video. Oh my goodness. Never ever have I heard a chicken make that noise. And I've had chickens for a long time. A very long time. Was she just over here grooming herself? Huh. She must not have been happy with that feather being out of place. You made my day, chick. You weirdo. Yeah. I'll have to play that for my husband. All right, you want your banana chips, sweetheart? No, I saved everything for you guys. I saved you guys for last. Come on, you get your head up. She'll keep her head and stand up here. So yesterday, when I was out here, yes, I'm talking about you, my love bug. Yesterday, I was out here grooming her. I love that you take your time. Yes, I wish I had more time in the mornings to love on you. Yeah, I do. Yes, you're so sweet. You're just such a sweet girl. You want some balancer? You haven't had balancer in a while. But I didn't close the top. I didn't lock her head in. Yeah. And then she finally, oh see, she knows when she gets this that she's done. Finally, she was like, hey, I'm done. Pulled her head back out and looked at me while I was still milking. And I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't put you up. Yeah, she's a good girl. She's just a sweet thing. You'd never know I had to shove her against the wall to first milk her. She's just sweet. Her children are not so sweet. Is that itch? Is that itchy where that's rubbing? You want me to take that off today? I could take that off today. It's not that cold. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, you can have that. How do you feel? Let me see how fat you're getting. Not bad. Yeah? Yeah, I can't get too fat. I'm going to breed you the end of next month. I should probably start drying you off. Yeah? I have this for you. What are you eating? The alfalfa? Yeah? Yes, Chucky Wicky. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Clyde has been doing his job with the ladies, I've been noticing, which is nice to know. And I'm going to say goodbye, guys. I will talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye.